Have you ever pondered the survival tactics of baby animals in the wilderness? Have you ever found yourself lost in thoughts about how these tiny, fragile beings manage to traverse the enormous, frequently hostile and unpredictable wild? Prepare yourself, fasten your seatbelts because we're about to dive deep and set off on a truly remarkable exploration into the fantastic world of these little miracles of nature. From the instant of their birth, or from the moment they emerge from their eggshells, these infant animals are thrust into an existence that is as mesmerizing as it is unforgiving. Life in the wild, especially for such tender, presents a host of problems, a series of trials and tribulations that they must overcome to ensure their survival. The very first obstacle that they encounter? The daunting, relentless fight for survival. The odds, it seems, are heavily stacked against them. The wild is a brutal, unsparing place, a world where only the fittest survive, and these young animals are thrust into this world without any preparation or training. Predators, both big and small, are always on the prowl, their eyes watching for any signs of weakness, ready to pounce at the slightest opportunity. These predators lurk behind every tree, under every rock, within every shadow, transforming the wild into a land of constant danger and uncertainty. These infant animals must also grapple with the savage, unpredictable elements of nature, the sweltering heat of the summer sun, the biting chill of winter, the blinding torrents of monsoon rains, the ceaseless howling of the winds. Yet it is not only the external threats that these younglings must face. They must also learn to fend for themselves, to find food and water, to seek shelter, understand the complex language of the wild. They must learn to trust their instincts, to use their natural abilities to their advantage. And amidst all these challenges, these young creatures often exhibit a level of resilience that is nothing short of astonishing. They display a will to survive, a determination to beat the odds that is both humbling and inspiring. Their sheer strength and courage, their unwavering spirit, their ability to adapt and evolve, is a testament to the incredible power of nature, a tribute to the indomitable spirit of life. The wild is a world of hardships and trials, but it is also a world of miracles and wonders, a world where every day is a testament to the power of life, where every moment is a celebration of the spirit of survival. Yet these young animals often display astounding resilience. But it's not all about survival. When we delve deeper into the world of baby animals, we understand that they bring so much more to the plate than just being mere survivors in the harsh realm of nature. These little bundles of joy, often overlooked in the grand scheme of life, are indeed pivotal cogs of the ecosystem. They may appear small, weak, and defenseless, yet they wield a kind of power that shapes the world we live in. Take a moment to observe these baby animals, their tiny paws, their soft fur, their wide, innocent eyes. They embody hope, resilience, and life, traits that are indispensable in the face of nature's relentless trials. At this point, you may question, how exactly do these seemingly fragile creatures play such a significant role in the ecosystem? Let me elaborate. The role of baby animals transcends the simplistic notion of survival. They are much more than tiny organisms striving for life. They serve as catalysts in the preservation of ecological balance. You see, these younglings, irrespective of which species they belong to, act as a vital link in the food chain. Their existence regulates the population of various species, preventing any one species from becoming too dominant or too scarce. Every in the ecosystem is interconnected. The presence or absence of one species impacts all the others. And here, baby animals play their part flawlessly. They allow predators to sustain themselves, thereby controlling the predator population. Simultaneously, they also influence the population of their own species. It's a complex, delicate balance that nature has fine-tuned over millennia. Moreover, baby animals contribute significantly to the genetic diversity of their species. This genetic diversity is not something to be underestimated. It is the key that unlocks the door to evolution, adaptation, and long-term survival. Genetic diversity ensures that a species can adapt to changing environmental conditions, resist diseases, and ultimately thrive. Each new generation of baby animals carries with them a unique set of genetic material, thus fortifying the genetic health of their species. Their contribution is all the more crucial in the face of the ever-increasing threats of climate habitat loss and disease. By adding to the gene pool, these tiny creatures help their species stay resilient and robust. They ensure the continuity and survival of their species, shaping the future for generations to come. In conclusion, baby animals, despite their vulnerability, play an essential role in maintaining the ecosystem's balance. They bolster the genetic diversity of their species, ensuring their survival for generations to come. And let's not forget about the joy and wonder these baby animals bring. They hold an unparalleled charm, a magic that transcends all barriers of human emotions. With their delightful gestures and innocent expressions, these baby animals manage to win the hearts of all those who lay eyes on them. Their captivating eyes, full of purity and playfulness, evoke a sense of joy that is indescribable. The innocent frolicking of these little creatures is a sight to behold. They stumble, they fall, and they get up again, teaching us the most profound lessons of life with their simple actions. Their relentless spirit, combined with their infectious energy, leaves us awestruck. Their joyous leaps and playful wrestling matches, their attempts to mimic the adults, their exploration of their surroundings with an admirable fearlessness and curiosity. All these endearing activities remind us of the beautiful simplicity of life. Their curious nature is another aspect that fascinates us. They are explorers in their own right, venturing out into the world with fearless enthusiasm. Every stone unturned, every leaf examined, every new sound investigated. These little ones are constant reminders of the endless wonders of the world that we often take for granted. Their adorable appearances are nothing short of mesmerizing. The soft fur or delicate feathers, the round little bellies, the twinkling eyes, the tiny paws or fragile wings, every feature is crafted to perfection, radiating a unique charm that is irresistible. Their innocent gaze, their clumsy movements, their soft cooing or roaring, all contribute to their irresistible charm. These baby animals do not just amuse us with their playful antics, they inspire us, reminding us of the importance of curiosity, courage, and perseverance. They symbolize hope, renewal, and the sheer beauty of life. Their existence is a testament to the resilience of nature, to the cycle of life that continues to unfold in all its glory. The sight of these baby animals, their sounds, their movements, their lives, does more than just entertain us. It touches our hearts. It makes us appreciate the beauty of the natural world, and it makes us realize our inherent connection to all living beings. And of course, they captivate us, offering a glimpse into the fascinating world of wildlife. Out in the wilderness, baby animals are confronted with a host of challenges. These young creatures, still naive to the ways of the world, are forced to navigate the testing trials of their environment from the moment they are born. Despite their vulnerability, they exude an incredible sense of survival and adaptability. Their instincts, though unrefined, are astoundingly pure and strong. They are guided by an inner compass that is unerring, directing their actions towards survival and growth. Their resilience is something that leaves us awestruck. Their determination to survive, despite the harsh conditions and looming threats, is nothing short of inspiring. They face down predators, endure harsh climates, and tackle food scarcity with an unwavering spirit. Each day, each moment is a struggle to survive, and yet they continue to persevere, demonstrating an incredible will to live. These tiny wonders also play a crucial part in maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. Though they may seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things, their existence contributes to a delicate balance that is crucial to the survival of countless other species. From acting as prey to controlling pests, their role in the ecosystem is fundamental. Their mere existence adds to the diversity and richness of life on Earth, highlighting the intricate interconnectivity of all life forms. The sight of these young ones ignites a sense of wonder and beauty that is unique to nature. They serve as a poignant reminder of the miracles of life, the cyclical rhythm of existence, and the interdependence of all beings. They inspire us to appreciate the stunning complexity of the natural world and emphasize the importance of preserving it for future generations. The sight of these wonders compels us to reflect on our own role in maintaining the balance of this delicate ecosystem. So the next time you come across a baby animal in the wild, pause for a moment. Take this opportunity to appreciate its journey, from its birth to its struggles for survival. Reflect on its role in maintaining the ecosystem and the joy it brings to us. Because these small wonders are not just surviving, they're thriving, demonstrating the incredible power and beauty of nature. In summary, baby animals in the wild are marvels of nature. They embody resilience, survival, and play vital roles in the ecosystem, all while bringing joy and wonder into our lives. Their journey is a testament to the power of nature, a fascinating spectacle that continues to captivate us. So here's to the wild babies, the small wonders of our world.